San Diego industrial accident lawyer getting compensation beyond workers' compensation. Although workers' compensation benefits are intended to serve as the primary source of financial recovery for people injured at work, the workers' compensation system generally prohibits an employee from suing an employer for negligence resulting in a severe accident. At the McKellen law firm, our experience with the investigation and presentation of complex injury claims against manufacturers of dangerous products gives injured workers an alternative approach to accidents compensations that covers a much broader range of damage. Need a San Diego industrial accident attorneys. If you are a loved one has been injured in an industrial accident or other serious workplace injury, it may be possible to seek compensation beyond workers' compensation. To learn if our San Diego industrial injury lawyer can help with your case, call 612-151-488. In many cases, we will be able to identify a defendant who can be held liable for your lost income, future treatment expenses, and pain and suffering even while your workers' compensation benefits applications is pending or being paid. Our experience in handling industrial accident claims. With a carefully limited caseload that allows us to work closely and intensively with our clients and a team of forensic professionals from many disciplines, we can investigate and present a claim for significant damage in industrial construction and other workplace accident claims. Common claims include the following: burn injuries suffered in industrial explosions. Number 2, toxic chemical exposure injuries at refineries or factories. Number 3, electrical accidents involving unmarked for or exposed high voltage power boxes. Number 4, industrial machinery accidents involving punch presses, food service equipments, and much more. Number 5, forklift injuries or other accidents suffered in warehouse, on loading docks, or at freight terminals. Number 6, falls from heights or stair walls in poorly maintained industrials or chemical buildings. Number 7, truck accidents suffered on the job by truck drivers or other commercial drivers. Helping injured industrial workers in San Diego. Our lawyers have achieved verdicts and settlements worth in excess of US 1 million each in more than 90 cases. This record reflects our ability to make an effective presentation of the facts in indicating both the defendant liability and the extent of your damage. Our past success also enables us to commit the forensic resources necessary to develop your claims to maximum effect at our own risk. In other words, just like our attorney's fees, we recover the expenses we have advanced only when we settle or win your case. San Diego Workers' Compensation Attorneys helping injured workers throughout California. If you have been injured on the job, the most important thing for you to do is to report the incident to your employer and get the medical treatment that you need. The next step is to contact an attorney experienced in handling workers' compensation matters so you can understand all of your rights and obligations related to filing for workers' compensations. Dedicated workers' compensation lawyer in San Diego, California. Aggressive, knowledgeable, and experienced protection of your rights. At the law office of Leslie S. Shaw, APC, we have been aggressively, knowledgeably, and effectively protecting the rights of injured workers for more than 30 years in and around the San Diego, California area workers' compensation law is that attorney Leslie Shaw practices. She is committed to seeing you get the help you need as is your right under the law. Note, deadlines are important in workers' compensation claims. If you have been injured at work, we want to talk to you as soon as possible after you have received medical treatments. This is so that we can make sure all legal deadlines are met in your case and all required paperwork is turned in on time to ensure the protection of your employee rights.